is Floor Editor and how to use it. Let's start by making a floor, like that. Stop. That's our floor. Now edit. 1, 2, drag. Okay. Edit some more. Edit. 1, 2, and drag. So the drill is simple. You press play, you walk around, and then you edit your path. To edit a path, you need to add 2 points and then drag, as you can see here. Drag your floor where you want it and then click OK. You can also select a single point like this and then move it around. But what is this for? First thing is, floors are used for collisions. They make collision calculation much easier. Flat surface or slightly curved surface is much easier to calculate than, messy surface like these. These shapes are artifacts of collision detection. Second, these floors are targets of teleportation in VR. And third, you can bind your own NPCs to some of these floors. Anyway, it's simple. Walk around and repeat. When you're done, save. Save your floor either as JSON or JavaScript file. Let me show you how it looks like. This is basically, you can just copy and paste it over into your scene. That's what I do. And this is final result. So floor 1, floor 2, floor 3, floor 4, floor 5, floor 6, floor 7. Check this out. And there's another one, small one over there, it's hidden. That's all, folks. Happy editing!